Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa fried rice. First, let's get our quinoa ready. It's important to rinse 1 cup of quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove its natural bitter coating. Then, cook it with 1 3/4 cups of water or broth until all the liquid is absorbed. Once cooked, fluff it with a fork and let it cool completely. This prevents it from becoming mushy in your fried rice. Next, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. Chop about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers, into small, uniform pieces. For added protein, you can include 4 ounces of cooked chicken, tofu, or even scrambled eggs. Don't forget to mince 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger for that essential aromatic base. Now, it's time to bring everything together in the pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your chopped vegetables and any protein, stir-frying until they are tender crisp. Then, add the minced garlic and ginger, cooking until fragrant. Finally, incorporate the cooled quinoa and 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, stirring well to coat everything evenly. To finish, stir in 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, which adds a wonderful nutty aroma to your dish. Garnish your delicious quinoa, fried rice with fresh green onions, and serve it hot for the best flavor. This quick and healthy meal is perfect for any day. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.